Okay. Title's up there. This is how to install a hard drive on the PS2. I mean, you can see this is the network adapter. And currently, I'm actually waiting for something to connect to the hard drive, to be honest. What I've been using is it's a USB thing here. Goes into the front, the power right there. Okay, it's all dark, can't really see it, but I mean that's the power cord. It's actually down on the floor. That's oh god, wow. Okay, maybe not. Shit. The point is, what I'm using. I gotta get up. Aww. Tore my pants. I like these pants. USB to SATA or IDE. I mean, it does both. You do need a SATA cable to use it, but you can. I mean, it's not just for hard drives. You can use it with CD-ROMs as well, if you need to. Has a little instructions thing here. You know, I mean, it's fairly simple to use if you know how to hook up cables. I mean, if you can match them up. If not, well, I'm gonna show you. I'll show you how it works here in a second. Is it done? Almost done. Less than a minute. Can't believe I hit my fucking knee. That shit hurt. Hurt. Pain. That hurt a lot. Why is update? Updating the virus software. I've actually known how to do this for a while, so yeah. I mean, update. Gross, I know, I'm sorry. Whatever. Damn it. Fucking shit. Okay, it's been installed. Okay. Exit. Alright. Done. Back. Okay. Alright. So up here so I can see what I'm doing. It's the hard drive right there. These are your connectors, okay? That's the IDE. That's the power. You can also see that on the adapter, IDE, power, or power. Pretty much fits right on there. I mean, there's no, see how that works? God, I'm bad at camera. See, okay, look. Right? Okay. I mean, you can kind of see that that's how it fits on there. And that's really about it. I mean, other than actually putting it in the PS2, which this little connector right here is what goes in the back where it says expansion bay. If you have the network adapter and a hard drive, you just pop it in there and you're good to go. I mean, I'm not gonna carry the camera over. I'm sorry. I'm lazy. So yeah, peace.